Welcome to the VMware Cloud Foundation feature demonstration. In this video, we will show how to expand an existing workload domain by adding additional capacity using the VMware SDDC Manager. Let's begin by logging into the SDDC Manager, where we can see our dashboard. Under Workload Domains, we click View Details to see a summary of our existing workload domains. Here we can see our virtual infrastructure workload domain, TMM01. Navigating to the vSphere web client, we can see that this workload domain currently has 4 ESXi hosts. Let's expand this capacity to 5 hosts. Switch back to the SDDC Manager and click on our workload domain. In the Domain Details, click on the Expand Domain option located on the upper right-hand corner and specify the additional CPU, memory, and storage capacity that is desired. Based on these inputs, SDDC Manager will calculate the number of additional hosts to add to the workload domain. In this example, we see that 1 additional host will be added. Click Apply to initiate the workflow, and then click Confirm. To monitor the progress of the expansion workflow, we go to the Status view. Scroll down to the Workflow tasks and click View Details, where we can see our active workflow. On expanding the workflow, we can see the subtasks that are being executed to expand this workload domain by adding the additional host. The steps in the workflow include joining the new ESXi instances to the cluster, extending the vSAN data store to include the additional disks from the new hosts, joining the host to the distributed switch and configuring NSX, and updating the SDDC Manager database to reflect the changes. Once the workflow is complete, our expansion is successful. Going back to the dashboard, we can again view the details for the TMM01 workload domain, where we see it now has 5 hosts assigned. Now, let's go back to the vSphere web client and click the refresh icon. Here again, we see the additional ESXi host has been successfully added, and the cluster backing our workload domain now has 5 ESXi hosts. This concludes the demonstration on expanding the capacity of an existing workload domain. Thank you.